Tired of losing money trading? Do you want to find the most profitable trading method? Now, everyone just says that they earn a lot with the help of a trading bot that was created on ChatGPT. Okay, so today I'll test the coolest bot to see if it can earn more than $1,000 in 5 minutes. Watch the video to the end and I will reveal for you the safest and most profitable way to earn income from $900 per day.
The good news is you're about to make a lot of money.
Hello dear traders, this is Evelyn. I have been trading for over 5 years and over the last year I made over $1.5 million. And you can achieve that level of success as well. Just join my Telegram channel. There you'll find a pretty big community of 26,000 members. And guess what? Every day we trade together. They simply repeat my transactions and together earn $600 to $700K every day. It's all free and they have my personal support. Join via the first link in the description and in the pinned comment. So today we will hold a real competition and see who is better at day trading between ChatGPT and me, a binary options trader with 5 years of experience. Both will have a deposit of $600. Trades will be based on the scaling principle. Let's start with a trade of $100 and if we win, the account will increase by another $100. Then $200, $300 and so on. But if we lose, the balance will remain unchanged. Each of us will have 5 attempts. Ladies first, but first let's adjust our settings. The trade time is set at 1 minute and the candle time frame at 30 seconds. Second, let's select our currency pairs. Today we'll trade Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, Australian dollar and Swiss franc, Australian dollar and New Zealand, Aussie and US dollars. Perfect. By the way, do you already have experience trading with bots? Which ones? And what's the max amount of money you've ever made? Tell us in the comments. After all, it's always useful to exchange knowledge among like-minded people. It's time to start our experiment. So first my short session and then we'll see what ChatGPT can do. Let's begin.
Are you ready to begin?
Aussie and US dollar. Price is showing upward movement and strong green impulses, indicating a continuation of the uptrend. We trade higher. Not bad at all. The first transaction is ours and the account has $692. Australian and New Zealand. The candles have hit a support level and we expect a rebound from the line, so we click higher. What a strong bounce! We were right again and got $876. Let's move on to the next trade. Aussie and franc. As we can see here, the downtrend is pretty much over and price has started a sideways move. And green candles are much more powerful than red ones, so we expect an upward trend to start. Clicking higher. Amazing! Now our balance is $1,152 and all thanks to my knowledge of technical analysis.
Thank you.
Hey, how about dropping a like on this video? I'm basically sharing my experience with you for free. Okay, let's move on. Aussie and Canadian dollar. Here the green candles have even more powerful impulses, so we will trust the uptrend. Click higher. Perfectly done. The account is now at $1,520, so let's make the final trade. Aussie and the US dollar. A new resistance level is forming on the chart, so there will more likely be a reversal soon. However, on our small time frame, we'll still have time to make money while it's going up. We invest higher. Brilliant! So we had a great short session and made $1,980. These are great results, but you guys who are not new here know that usually trade less modestly and earn much more. For example, in this video, I use such a profitable strategy that I earned $9,340 in one session and in just 15 minutes. This is an excellent result. If you want to use this strategy, you're welcome. Click here or follow the link in the description to watch the video.
Oh, wait. This is interesting.
Before we get into our experiment, we need to change one trading pair because the Australian and Canadian dollar is unavailable for trading at the moment. Now, let's start our test session with ChatGPT. So, yeah, the bot wants to bet lower. Let's go for $100. It seems to me that it is obvious here that the bulls have taken control of the market and the upward trend will continue. The indicator here is clear. There are significantly green impulses. Well, the expected result? The amount has decreased to $500. Okay, let's hope that it's warming up and then it will do better. The bot has yet again recommended to trade lower. All right, $100. From this green candle, there is no feeling at all that the trend is slowing down. And again, this was pretty much expected. The bot was in a hurry. 2 losses in a row, so ChatGPT is down $100. The balance is now $400. Come on, bot, show yourself. Another $100 on a short trade. We press the lower button. Maybe it's a pessimist bot. It constantly thinks that everything is ready to fall. But to be honest, this time I agree with it. The trend is clearly bearish. Here, our bot has been fixed. We have $492 in our account. So far, the bot's effectiveness remains very intriguing. The predictions here are in favor of a bullish trend, and our bet will already be $200. Click higher. Well, yes, here a reversal occurred from the historical low and we see an upward trend. Already better! Now we're at least in the clear with $676, but obviously we're not in the black yet. So, trade number 4. The bot predicts a bullish movement. Click higher. Invest in $300. Apparently, the bot expects a rebound from the new level, but this will not happen. But we need proof. We lost money again and are in the red because of the bot. To be honest, I'm even disappointed. No, not because I lost money, but because the win rate of this bot is even below 50%. And then, what is the point of it? Let me summarize. The bot went from $600 to $376 in 5 trades, and I earned a cool $1,980 in 5 trades. Conclusion: I would not recommend anyone to trade with this bot, and I would insist in every possible way to abstain. That's why I won't even link to it in the description. But there is a safe and highly profitable alternative to trading with the ChatGPT bot. It's very simple. Subscribe to my free Telegram channel and trade together with my subscribers. By the way, we're already more than 27K in the community, so what are you waiting for? Every day together we earn $600,000 to $700,000. I support everyone and tell them how to use Pocket Option and which buttons to press. I give them step-by-step instructions and it is completely free. Or if they prefer, they can just copy my trades. The risk is minimal anyway, because my win rate is above 89.5%. And just look at their happy reviews, guys.
I was almost like giving up of trading, and then I found Evelyn.
I really appreciate your help, the way you are helping us to earn money.
You make it easy. I don't know how you make that.
And then I was able to make real money, actually. And I'm so happy for it.
To be honest, trading and signals are not at all as difficult as it might seem. I will personally support you at every stage of your journey. Just join the pack and earn $900 a day. Follow the first link in the description or in the pinned comment under the video and write me a private message. Thanks for watching this video, and you know the drill. Like and comment and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share links to both my YouTube and Telegram channels with your friends, and let's gather a global community of traders. I love everyone. Kisses. Bye, kittens. See you over on Telegram.